In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Raccoon in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So this is actually part of the new Lunar update, and I do believe it's now pretty much the rarest pet next to the dragonfly, which we already had. So let me just show you how we can actually get it, because it's a bit tricky. You'll need a bit of luck, but it's not that hard. So it's easy to understand. You want to walk up to this new event over here, and if you go inside the eggs, so the night eggs over here, as you can see, if you hatch the night egg, you have a 1% chance to actually get yourself a raccoon in Grow a Garden. So to actually get these night eggs, you wanna basically, when the night event happens, for me it's gonna be in 7 minutes, when this night event does happen over here, you'll be able to get the moonlit lunar plant. So some plants, when it turns nighttime, will have a random chance of actually becoming moonlit or lunar, and once this happens, let me actually check if I have any of these. I currently do not, unfortunately, so I can't show you, but when you actually end up having any of those inside of your inventory, just walk up to this owl over here in the middle, talk to it, and then as you can see, it says give me moonlight fruit to get more lunar points. And then you want to be collecting those lunar points, so just bring it as many lunar fruits or moonlit fruits as you possibly can. And then it says over here what are lunar points. In here, you can then see you can actually get free rewards such as this lunar egg over here. So if you go to reward track, you can see you can get it for 70 points, you can get it for 210, and then 240, 290, 320, and 430. You'll get +2, +3, +2. As you can see, you can get quite a lot of these by just basically giving it the moonlit plant. So that's actually pretty cool, and I do believe this is the only way of getting it. So if you click on the eggs over here, it's the raccoon. It's a rare pet, I think it's legendary actually, maybe even something bigger than that, like the vine. But yeah, in case you're wondering what it does, a raccoon basically, when it walks through your garden, every few seconds, and it's quite frequent, I think, it's not that basically it happens very, very frequently, it goes to a random garden inside your island, so to a random island over here. It walks, for example, to this neighbor garden over here, and then on this neighbor garden, what it does is it steals one of the plants, it duplicates them and brings them back to you, so you can then have it and sell it or do whatever you want with it. So it's actually kind of OP. Let me know down below in the comments what you think, whether the raccoon is actually better than the dragonfly, which used to be the most overpowered pet in the game as of right now. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.